Hi guys, we're now here at IKEA. So we're going to have brunch here, so just check it out.
Hey mister, tell me, have you heard about the Nazarenes? Doing signs and wonders like
So here in IKEA, it seems like we're going to buy some groceries because there is a food court like this. So you're going to place your order here. So here on my side. So we just need to fall in line, guys, and we just need to choose whatever the food that we wanted to eat today. So come with me, guys. So after you make an order, all you need to do is to go to the counter and pay your bill, guys. Diba? It seems like you're buying some groceries in the grocery stores here in IKEA. So you're just if you have planned to buy some furniture, and if you're hungry enough, you can go to IKEA to eat some meal, guys. So let's check it out. So I'm just going to pay, guys. Then after that, we're just going to review these meatballs. Alright. So after you pay your meal, now you're going to the drink section. I just need to get some ice first, then I guess I will choose Merinda. Nice. Okay. And another thing that I discovered here in IKEA, guys, if you're going to buy some food here, so they're going to give you this free main dish card. So for every 4 meal, so 1, 2, 3, 4, there is a free main dish. So come and visit IKEA. Bye. So guys, I'm now here at the kitchenware section. So I guess we're just going to pick up some of the cheapest things that we can use for our kitchen. So check it out, guys. shopping. Bye. Do you like this video, guys? Just like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, this is Jervin Andres, and this is my channel.